Welcome to KRTI's Enterprise Architecture Roadmap Service, our comprehensive approach to transforming your IT architecture into a scalable, future-proof system that aligns with your business goals. From in-depth assessments and innovative design to seamless implementation, we'll showcase how our solutions deliver measurable value and long-term success for your organization. Who can benefit from KRTI's Enterprise Architecture Roadmap? Our service is ideal for mid to large enterprises with complex IT ecosystems, multi-site operations, and a focus on digital transformation. We cater to industries such as manufacturing, retail, healthcare, utilities, and financial services, each with its unique needs. For example, we help manufacturers integrate SAP ECC with manufacturing execution systems. While in healthcare, we focus on optimizing patient data management. No matter your industry, we align your IT architecture with your specific operational challenges. KRTI's Enterprise Architecture Roadmap service covers every critical aspect of transforming your IT environment. We start with an assessment of your current systems, evaluating legacy platforms, cloud solutions, and your overall IT infrastructure. Next, we design a future target architecture that aligns with your long-term business goals and keeps pace with technological advancements. Our phased implementation plan provides a step-by-step guide for transitioning from your current state to the target architecture. We also focus on technology and integration, crafting hybrid solutions that combine cloud, on-premises, and legacy systems for seamless operations. Why is an enterprise architecture roadmap essential for your business? First, it ensures business IT alignment, making sure that your IT investments directly contribute to achieving business objectives while eliminating silos between departments. As companies grow, scalability becomes crucial. Many enterprises outgrow their legacy systems, and a flexible architecture supports new services and technologies. It also drives operational efficiency, optimizing resource usage, reducing bottlenecks, and enhancing overall system performance. Lastly, it addresses risk management, mitigating the risks of outdated technology, security vulnerabilities, and compliance challenges. When you partner with KRTI for your Enterprise Architecture Roadmap, here's what you'll receive. First, a current state architecture report, providing detailed documentation of your existing IT landscape, including system dependencies, integrations, and data flows. Next, we deliver a target architecture design, a future-ready blueprint aligned with your business strategy, growth plans, and the latest technology trends. Our strategic roadmap offers a phased approach for migrating to this new architecture, with clear milestones, timelines, and resource allocation. Finally, you'll get an integration plan and a risk and compliance report, ensuring seamless system communication and offering a comprehensive risk analysis with mitigation strategies. Our expertise includes enterprise architects who design scalable IT systems, SAP consultants specializing in ECC and S/4HANA, and data architects ensuring robust data governance. Our cloud integration specialists are adept in AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, building seamless hybrid architectures. At KRTI, our team brings a wealth of expertise to every project. Our enterprise architects are skilled in designing scalable and adaptable architecture for large, complex IT systems. We have SAP consultants with deep expertise in SAP ECC, S/4HANA, and integrating SAP with external platforms. Our data architects ensure seamless data governance and management across systems. And our cloud integration specialists, proficient in AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, excel at building hybrid architectures that bridge cloud and on-premise environments. We use TOGAF for a structured approach to enterprise architecture, SAP Solution Manager for efficient system integration, and Archimate for visualizing architecture structures. Agile tools like Jira and Confluence aid in project management, while AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud support cloud-enabled designs and legacy migrations. At KRTI, we leverage industry-leading tools and frameworks to deliver top-tier enterprise architecture solutions. We use TOGAF to ensure a structured and standardized approach to developing your enterprise architecture. With SAP Solution Manager, we manage SAP environments and ensure efficient system integration. For modeling and visualizing architecture structures, we rely on Archimate. Our teams use agile project management tools like Jira and Confluence for seamless project tracking, documentation, and collaboration. And for cloud-enabled architectures, we utilize platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud to design and migrate legacy systems to the cloud. What makes KRTI's Enterprise Architecture Roadmap service unique? First, we offer a business-driven architecture. Our solutions are not generic, but carefully aligned with your specific business goals and industry trends. We bring industry-specific expertise, allowing us to address unique challenges like compliance in healthcare or integration complexities in manufacturing. With KRTI, you get end-to-end transformation support, from design through implementation, including change management and post-implementation assistance. Finally, our architecture is adaptive and future-proof, designed to evolve with emerging technologies and industry changes without causing major disruptions. The duration of KRTI's Enterprise Architecture Roadmap service varies based on the size and complexity of the organization. For small enterprises, the process typically takes 3 to 6 months. For mid-sized enterprises, it extends to 6 to 9 months. And for large enterprises with more complex IT ecosystems, the service may take 9 to 12 months, depending on the scale of the transformation. At the conclusion of KRTI's Enterprise Architecture Roadmap service, you'll receive several key deliverables. First, a current architecture assessment, a detailed document outlining your existing systems, dependencies, and performance metrics. You'll also receive a target architecture model, a comprehensive blueprint for your future architecture, complete with diagrams and technical specifications. Our strategic roadmap provides a phased, actionable plan with clear milestones for transitioning to the new architecture. Additionally, we include a risk mitigation plan, an integration blueprint, and a change management plan to ensure a seamless and secure transformation. Let's review the estimated costing breakdown for KRTI's Enterprise Architecture Roadmap service. Our Enterprise Architect rates range from $120 to $200 per hour. For an SAP functional consultant, the rate is $100 to $180 per hour. Data architects are priced between $110 and $190 per hour, and our cloud specialists range from $100 to $170 per hour. Finally, our project managers are available at a rate of $90 to $160 per hour. For a typical 6-month project, the estimated cost ranges across different currencies. In USD, the cost falls between $300,000 and $600,000. In INR, that's approximately 2.4 crore to 4.8 crore. For clients in the UK, the range is £280,000 to £480,000. And for those in the EU, it's €270,000 to $540,000. Here's the delivery plan for our Enterprise Architecture Roadmap service. In weeks 1 to 4, we'll conduct a current state architecture assessment, hold stakeholder interviews, and perform data collection. From weeks 5 to 8, we'll move into the gap analysis, identifying inefficiencies, risks, and areas for improvement. In weeks 9 to 12, we'll begin drafting the target architecture and designing the integration strategy. By weeks 13 to 16, we'll review the target architecture with your stakeholders and finalize the strategic roadmap. During weeks 17 to 20, we'll focus on risk mitigation planning, detailing the technical specifications and compliance requirements. Finally, in weeks 21 to 24, we'll deliver the final architecture blueprint and the implementation roadmap. Let's explore the value proposition and potential return on investment of KRTI's Enterprise Architecture Roadmap service. First, you'll see improved efficiency. Our streamlined IT systems can reduce operational overhead by 15 to 20%. Next, we offer scalability. Our future-proof architecture allows for seamless growth and adaptability of your systems. With our service, you also benefit from risk reduction, minimizing the risks associated with outdated systems, while ensuring compliance with industry standards and regulations. Lastly, we focus on enhanced integration, which improves communication between legacy systems and new technologies, reducing data silos and facilitating better decision-making. Ready to transform your IT landscape for architecture assessment? Schedule a consultation by scanning the QR code. You can also get in touch with us at 9494-051717 or email us at hello@krti.io. Visit our website at krti.io and don't forget to connect with us on LinkedIn, at KRTI, and other social media platforms.